Bed.
Are you sure? Turn it over. Is it a bed? Good job. How about this word? Gabriel.
Rock.
Turn it around. What's that? Is it a picture of a rug?
Book.
Book? Are you sure? Turn it over. What is it?
Book.
Book. Good. Okay, this is a hard one. What's this one?
Books.
No. Sound it out. Can you tell me what letter is this?
That's rock.
Yeah. Okay, that's rock. What's this one?
Why do I go hide?
C says. R says.
Can.
No, not can. C says. R says. I says.
Eh.
And B says.
Book.
B.
Crib.
Is it a crib? Turn it around. Yeah, it's a crib. Good job. Okay, let's try this one.
Map.
Look at it again. C says. A says.
App.
P says. What word is it?
Zip.
C says. A says.
Can.
No. P says. App.
Cap.
Turn it over. What is it? What is it? Is it a cap? Good. How about this one?
Rock.
Rug. Are you sure? Turn it over.
This is rock.
He's like, it is rug, Mommy. Good job. Okay, let's try this one. We just learned this one today. What is this?
This rock.
That is rug. What word is this? M says.
Map.
No. O says. P says. So okay. What word is it? What word is this? Ah. Op.
Map.
Mop. Now turn it over. What is it?
Map.
A mop. What do you use a mop for?
Clean.
You clean the floors with a mop? Good job. Okay, one more. And then we're done. What is this? This is a hard one too. B says,
Book.
when you put O together, it says ooh. Can you say ooh?
Ooh.
So B, ooh. T says,
Ooh.
that's O. T says,
Da.
and
No.
S says, look, Shine, what is this? B, ooh, t.
Boots.
What is it?
Boots.
Boots? Are you sure?